Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Flip Furniture Mama. My name is Maggie and here the piece for this week video. I bought this table and two chairs on state sale for $10 a piece. I bought a few things. This is not the last one, I have one more. And this will be $30, but the guy take me off $5. I paid $25 for two chairs and the table. The table have two money scratches on the top. Need good love. The chairs need to cleaning, is too dirty. But the good thing is solid wood, but have too many scratch. This will be great for a small space or for a kitchen. My plans for this table is paint the chairs and the legs of the table in dark blue or blue and stain to the top. Let's go to start. I'm going to start with a good cleaning with cotton and after rinsing with clear water. The table because I think it's more easy for me paint the legs and stain the top. Do a good scuff sand with 220 grit sand paper, and I use my Orbo sander on the legs and the chairs. Behr sharp paint in dark blue. I will apply with my Wagner paint spray gun. I already load. I use my safety mask, of course, and light sand between coats. I'm not do primer because I'm going to use sharp paint. I don't need primer. My table with Minwax in clear satin. I load my paint spray gun with the top coat. I not wash, I leave some paint on it. I'm going to use my safety mask and light sand between coats with my 400 block sanding. Maybe you ask why I type the back seat, because I want these clear lines and have the stamps on it. I don't know if you can see. I want to keep all these stamps. That's why I type and have these clean lines on the back. You can see the clean lines. apply the stain, I'm going to apply press stain, and this will help me to the stain be even, or I can apply press stain or mineral spirit. At this case I'm going to use press stain, and I play with the rug. I'm going to apply on the top of my table gel stain in chestnut color, and I will apply with a cheap brush. I wipe off with a paper towel, but you can use a rug or a paper towel, what you want. A generous amount. I'm going to work in sections. Now I'm going with the paper towel and wipe off the much I want. For protect my table, on the top I'm going to use Minwax in clear satin. I'm going to apply 4 coats. I'm using a synthetic brush. Hi guys, Maggie here from Flip Furniture Mom, and here one more project done. I'm very happy how this table and chairs turns out. This is for a small space, a kitchen, but turns out so beautiful like I have in mind. This blue legs, this custom color I made, I'm really in love with this blue, and the top turns out so beautiful. I'm in love how this turns out. Not miss next week video. Will be on Wednesday, August 31st, not on a Thursday, because I will be part of another collaboration called Unique Antique Challenge, hosting by Craft Creep DIYs, and I'm so very happy. Will be a French provincial style. I'm so very happy to participate on this challenge, where several other flip furniture artists participate too. I hope the guys enjoy my video. I hope I can inspire you to redo the piece of furniture you have in home, or you flip furniture. This small table turns out so beautiful. In a few steps you can see how beautiful this table comes out. Thank you for watching my video. I hope the guys enjoy like I did to make it. See you next one. Bye guys.